Hello guys, this is Srinivas the developer. In today's video, we are going to solve the SKILLRACK daily challenge of 17 April 2021. Let's see what's in there. Largest square matrix words. The program must accept a string as containing multiple words as an input. The program must print the largest possible square matrix of n cross n based on the following condition. What they are. The word of the equivalent must be used to form the square matrix, i.e., example, each row of matrix contains all the characters of the words. Okay. The word in a given string matrix must be in the order of their occurrence. Finally, the program must print the largest possible square matrix as output. If there are two or more such square matrices, the program must print the matrix with the first n words of n length as output. If it is not possible to form such a matrix, as usual, print -1. Here the words are book, planet, moon, earth, satellite, stars, rocket, lava, aeroplane, fuel, radar. The output is okay. Let me check manually. These are four words, four characters. Planet is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters, 4 character word, 5 something more than 7, which is 9, I guess. Yeah, 5, 6, 4, 9, 4, 5. Here we are having a 5 character words, 1, 2, 3 alone. The 6 character words are planet and rocket. We can't be able to make a 6 cross 6 matrix with 2 words, as same as the 9 character words also containing less. So the only option we left is 4 character words, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. We can form a 4 matrix with this 4 character words. As per the occurrence, book take the lead, followed by moon, lava, and fuel. Simple though. Here, this is a 2 character word, but it occurring only once. This is a 3 character word, this occurring only twice. This is a 4 character word, this occurring only twice. We can't able to form a 2 cross 2 or 3 cross 3 or 4 cross 4 with this given word. So the output is simply -1. This is 1 cross 1, this should be 4 cross 4, this should be 7 cross 7, but we don't have that much words. We can form a 1 cross 1 with this. Here this is a 2 character word, and this is a 5, I guess. No, it's 6. These two words, here is a 6, so this also 6, like 6 again, but these 6 character words occurring only 4 times. We can't able to form a 6 cross 6 matrix with this. Here the 2 character words occurring 4 times, we just have to consider on the first 2 cross 2. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 5. Now we are going to take the input part, which is nothing but a yes words. Those things are space separated, so I'm going to form a list of each words. Then we need to mainly focus on length, right? Length of each words. So word length equal to length of I for I in S, which is nothing but I value will be iterated towards through all the words in S. First in this example, the I will be I first, then the I will be like, then the I will be mangoes. Here I am specifying len here, so first it will store the len of I, which is nothing but 1, len of like, which is nothing but 4, len of mangoes is 7. So it will give me a list of something like 147. Then I'm going to check for the valid pairs. Valid word len. Here I for I in set of word learn if I greater than or equal to len of sorry count of that one. In this line I'm just checking for the valid pairs. So we need to, if you need to form a 1 cross 1 matrix, then the word should be occur at least once, right? So I'm checking the word count sorry the word length is matching or greater than with the occurrence, then only we can find that. This should be a shorter reverse. So we need to focus on the first bigger matrix, right? We have to form a matrix as bigger as possible. So I'm specifying uh, descending order list here. So it will pass the values of list like 7, 4, 1. I'm specifying set there, so the values will be occurs only once. Here it will check for the condition if there are 7 times of 7 in that word length. If yes, store the value s. Store the value 7. Unfortunately, we don't have 7 in this list, so 7 won't be stored. Then it will check for 4. We don't have 4 times of 4, so 4 is also rejected. But here the 1 is occurring once in this list, which is equal to the value of 1, so 1 will be stored. Now we are going to print I for I in S if len of I equal to valid version of 0. This should be happen only if there at least one valid pair in a list. If not, we have to print -1, right? If valid word learn, if something in it, print this. Else print -1. Here I'm going to use my tada just to know how it's working. Let's see. Satellite aeroplane? What? Okay, let me crack my code first. First I'm going to print what are the values inside the list, then what are the things that wordland contain, then valid wordland. Here I got the whole input as a list: book, planet, moon, earth, satellite, stars, rocket, lava, and so on. Here the values are stored like len of the words. This is 4, this is 6, 4, 5, 9, 5, 6, 4, 9, 4, and 5. Okay, I think I have messed with the condition here. If I smaller than or equal to the len count, because the occurrence should be greater, not the len of character. If I do that, the value of I here is 4. Okay, let me do one thing for you. One more thing for you. Print of set of len. I have used sorted, right? I'm going to give the thing as it is, just for your understanding. Now this valid len will give you only 4. Yeah, as what we expected. Here the words are stored, here the len of the words are stored. Now I'm specifying, okay, I think this thing should be outside, because it will ruin the flow, believe me. The curly braces for set here, this one for sorted, this one for print. You are not really need now. See, here the words are stored, here the length of the words are stored. Now I'm specifying, I'm taking each specimen from this word in a descending order. See, it's sorted in a reverse order. 9, 6, 5, 4. These are the words, these are the elements available in this list. I'm taking each one of them, no matter how many times it repeats. Now I'm taking 9 ones, 6, 5, and 4. Here the count of 9 is 1 and 2, which is lesser than the 9. So 9 is not stored in the list. Here the count of 6 is 1 and 2. 2 is absolutely smaller than the value of 6. So 6 is also not stored. Here occurrence of 5 is once, twice, thrice. So the count of 5 in this list just 3, which is also lesser than the value of 5. So 5 is not taken. But here the 4 is occurring 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here the occurrence and the value is matching, so the 4 is stored. Now I'm going to take all the words which containing 4 characters, which are in the length of 4. Like book, moon, lava, few. That's it. The code is still not completed. I have to do some little magics here, little tricks to make it run. Even though if I remove the tada, it won't get completed. See, we got the word, but we missed the what? We missed the. We are missing the like form. The output should be list of I. I just want element in this one. Print now it should be working fine. Instead of -1 we got tada. Even though if I put -1 here, it won't get complete fully. I will explain why. See, in this case we are getting all the 2 character elements like that, but we just need a first 2, right? First n cross n. For that I have to specify something. Okay, here I'm going to valid words. Here I'm going to create an empty list first. This will contain what? All the values of I for I in yes, if len of I equal to valid word len of 0. Now I need only n elements, right? So I'm specifying that one also, valid len of 1 of 0. Now print I for I in this valid words. Now it will give me a proper words, but not in a proper form. Oh, word valid words len is not defined. Valid word len, it's not words. Sorry for that. Oh, list index out of range. Why is this happening? Is this because of this one? Let's check that one too. I don't think that's the troublemaker. What? But if I do that, something like 0 to 1000, I'm sure it won't show any error. It will take all the possibilities. Don't it? See? It's working. Oh, whoa, whoa. I got that. Here I have to mention 0 to valid words len of 0. Else it will check for the value which is nothing but like, yeah, what I have done here. Check for the 0th value. Likewise, it will check for the nth value. Absolutely, that won't be available in this list. That's why it show me something called index out of. See, it will give the proper words and in a separate line, but still it won't be acceptable. Let's see. See, it's in a proper form. Proper words are here. Proper matrix are formed, but we need a in between space, right? In between space. For that, I have to do this creepy line. I have to typecast these strings into a list of characters, and I have to print them space separately. Oh, I forgot to mention Tada here. Thank God it doesn't work. What is wrong with here? I have no idea why this acting weird. Is this because of time complexity or something? Did I have any? No, my bad. I used all. Okay, let me check it manually. I'm getting all the words. I'm storing all the len of words. Then I'm checking for the valid pairs, which is nothing but the count should be greater than or equal to the given value. If it is, then it's valid. Don't I need this sorted term? Yes, I guess. Oh. Yeah, this shutter should be outside. Then only this will give me something in a shorter form. It will give me in ascending order. I'm reversing it, which will give me a descending order list. You can specify like comma reverse equal to true. Both will do the same. But instead of typing this much character, we can simply do slides operator -1. It's a hack. Okay, hope this time it will work. Here is a clean code to understand. Is there any way to make a one-liner today? I'm just getting only one input. Then I'm storing word. Then I'm storing valid word. Then I'm checking or making a valid words. And then I'm checking, is this valid Word learn form a matrix. If yes, print that, else don't. Or print -1. Still, it seems like a nasty one-liner. I'll stick with this one. What? Set object is not subscribable. Yeah. Sorry for that. Wish me luck this time. Oh, that's my model.